I'm gonna do a roof on my 2008 Polaris Ranger crew. So I received these 4 pieces of roof. I gotta put together. It's just how it's gonna look. It's not together yet, but that's what it's gonna look like. So before I'm gonna put the bolts in, I gotta use this thing. So it's a sticky, and I gotta put it right here. So this way it's gonna be tight seal. So I'm gonna do that. So now I screw them together, these 2 pieces, and right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this weather strip. So it basically goes on one of the side, and the other goes on the other side, like that. I'm gonna make them tight, and after that I have this locking pieces. So there is one, goes on the center. Basically it's gonna go like this, and another, so it's gonna be closer, of course, and these 2 sides, one on one side like this, and one more another side right there. I'm gonna put this together. Here's what this roof looks like after install. So I put it on 6 brackets, one right there, right here, one right here, other one right there, in a corner, and one right there. So that's how it looks like. I was hoping that it's gonna stick out a little bit, but it's like actually okay too. What it looks like from the back.